how to add favorite channels on Hulu. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your favorite channels on Hulu. If you're tired of scrolling through your feed to find the shows you love, I've got a quick and easy way to organize your channels. Let's dive right in. First, open the Hulu app on your device. Whether you're using a smart TV, phone, or computer, just make sure you're logged into your Hulu account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to go to the Home and Browser Content section depending on the device you're using. Now scroll through the list of all available channels. Hulu offers a variety of channels from different genres, so find the one that you watch most often or want quick access to. It could be anything from live news channels, sports, or your favorite entertainment networks. Once you find the channels you want to add, click on it. On the channels page, you should see an option, add to favorites or add to the store. This may appear as a heart icon or simple button depending on the device you're using. Tap on it and that's it. That's how you simply learn how to add and access your favorite channel on Hulu.